From a car charger capable of powering your house, a portable heads-up display that connects to your smartphone, a simple easy-to-install backup camera, to an autonomous driving kit. Welcome back everyone to Futurelicious, where we bring the latest innovations, technology, and gadgets. Quasar is the first bidirectional charger for home use. It allows you to charge and discharge your electric vehicle so you can use your car battery to power your home or the grid. Having a giant battery to use as a backup power source is increasingly popular, especially since surplus energy can often be sold back to the utility during peak demand. As a result, it enables EV owners to potentially earn money from their car while they sit idle in the garage, while also serving as a backup power source in case of an outage. The lightweight car charger can also be equipped with facial recognition to give friends and neighbors access if it's mounted outside, and intelligently sets limits on how much power can be taken from the EV, ensuring it remains ready to drive when needed. Hudly is a portable heads-up display that projects content from your connected smartphone and attaches to your car's dashboard. It clearly displays information from your phone in a way that's easier to read than mounting your phone on the dash. A lightweight sensor automatically adapts to lighting conditions to display your phone. The unit is powered by a USB charging port and comes with a power cord that plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet. As far as projection goes, Hudly works well, showing maps, directions, and other info in a large, clear format that's a step above simply sticking your phone on the dash using a mount. Getting a HUD in most cases still means having to buy a new car, so aftermarket alternatives like Hudly offer a low-cost option for everyone else. If you enjoy our content, remember to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for further updates. Auto-Vox backup camera is a license plate frame-style wireless backup camera that requires no wiring modifications at the back of the car and only a cigarette lighter power plug to power the display. While it's not as sophisticated as the built-in cameras and displays on modern vehicles, it provides a turnkey, easy-install solution for older vehicles. The camera's view is fed into a small, rectangular screen on the driver's side of the screen, and this appears when the vehicle is not in reverse. The camera itself includes 6 LED lights that automatically come on to illuminate the path behind you at night. It's also waterproof and will work in the rain. The package also includes a wireless transmitter, so you don't need to run a long wire from the rear of your vehicle to the front. Roav Viva Pro is an Alexa-enabled smart device that plugs into your car's 12-volt socket. Using the power of Alexa, you can ask for directions, stream music, listen to audiobooks, control smart home devices, make hands-free calls, and take advantage of 1,000 other skills. It also doubles as a car charger with 2 high-speed USB ports on the side. Download the Roav Viva app or Google Play. You can sign into your Amazon account and select your preferred method of pairing it to your car radio. You'll have 3 choices: Bluetooth, 3mm auxiliary, and FM tuner. The most important feature of the Viva Pro is its ability to use voice commands to safely complete tasks that would otherwise be done on your smartphone, including finding directions and making phone calls. Ford is 3D printing unique wheel nut locks based on driver voices. The unique locks make it much harder for thieves to steal your wheels. Engineers at the automaker have designed locking nuts with unique contours based on the driver's voice. Software is used to convert sound waves into a physical, printable pattern. The nuts and key are 3D printed using acid and corrosion-resistant stainless steel. To prevent criminals from simply making a wax imprint of the pattern, Each nut contains unevenly spaced and gradually widening ribs and indentations within, so any wax applied to the nut breaks when it's pulled away. Making wheels more secure and offering more product personalization are further proof that 3D printing is a game changer for car production. Thinkware's U1000 is a 4K screenless dashcam, shaped more or less like a thick bin of cards, with the lens assembly on the front face of the device. The U1000 is packed full of the latest tech, features, and Sony's 4K ultra high resolution 8.42 megapixel Sony Starvis camera sensor. The main face of the U1000 has the mic mute, Wi-Fi, and power buttons on the left and a larger chrome record button in the middle. In addition to the buttons, there are Wi-Fi, recording, and GPS status LEDs located at the top of the main face. Thinkware's Super Night Vision 2.0 and Sony improved Exmor CMOS image sensor are impressively good at capturing light, producing low light, and nighttime video. The U1000 gives you a wide viewing angle with a 150-degree view of the road ahead and 156-degree with the rear 2K camera. The Zeus wireless camera is built to be installed into the license plate holder that all cars in the US have as a standard feature. If you own an older car that doesn't have this tool, but would like to add it without buying a new car, you would be glad to know that there are add-on options on the market, and it's as easy as attaching an accessory to your rear license plate. Featuring a 170-degree HD wide-angle lens, this camera gives the driver a clear view of everything behind them, whether it's the road to freedom or the perfect parking spot. The app has the ability to set parking meter alerts, track mileage, monitor car battery life, and provide a car's location through its Find Your Car feature. With the features and extra devices, it allows older vehicles to have modern technology at the fraction of the cost. Mobileye 8 Connect is the most advanced collision avoidance system available today. Incorporating Mobileye's iQ4 processor and upgraded camera technology, Mobileye 8 Connect sees further, wider, and better in low-light conditions. The system is mounted behind a windshield and protects drivers and vulnerable road users with the latest collision avoidance technology, providing the critical seconds needed to prevent a collision. Mobileye is your driver's co-pilot, with real-time in-cabin support. It constantly monitors the road ahead, providing instant feedback to give drivers the critical few seconds needed to avoid a collision. Mobileye 8 is a quick and cost-effective means to up-spec existing vehicles with advanced safety technology. Nexar Beam is a sleek and compact dashcam that even connects to your smartphone, making accessing footage easier than ever before. It is similar in size to a GoPro camera, so it's fairly tiny and will fit behind your rearview mirror without drawing too much attention. The front is where you'll find a super wide lens that provides a 135-degree field of view and captures in full 1080p HD resolution. The camera records to the micro SD card, then transfers to the phone, giving you the opportunity to save them on the cloud. You can also manually create clips, which you can then share with others through the iOS share sheet, publish with Nexar, or even file a post-collision report with supported insurance companies. Free unlimited cloud uploads, GPS, and traffic, and accident warnings are the highlight, but both day and night captures are excellent as well. The Two OpenPilot is your answer if you don't have a Tesla or one of the other built-in autonomous driving systems available on cars today. The open-source system connects to the existing harness on their list of compatible vehicles, giving automatic steering, braking, acceleration, and lane-holding capability. Included in the windshield-mounted package is a camera-based driver monitoring system that sounds an alert when it detects a distracted driver and disables the autonomous features. The system can be disengaged by pressing either gas or brake pedals or pressing the cancel button. Open source also means that intrepid programmers can also tweak and customize the software to their liking. Some developers have even built and actively maintain support for vehicles not officially supported by Comma Solution. The future can't come soon enough. Which one of these are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Click the bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos. We can't wait to bring you more from the future.